YouTube, hope everyone's well. Had a fantastic day. Today I'm going to cook a couple of rolls, some jalapenos, some corned beef, a couple of eggs, and I'm going to cook them in those. So before I take it off completely, might as well have a look and see what the ingredients are in there. Nutrition. I'm just taking that off of there. Best thing to do is put the corned beef in the fridge before you plan on cutting it up. There you go. If it doesn't come out the first time, use a knife just down the size of it. And hopefully, it should just fall out. It should have come out a bit easier than that. There you go. Out in one. Inside the can, nothing. So I'm just going to cut a bit of that off. Chuck it in there, find a knife. Board. There's one bit. There's two bits. I'm going to cook them in the air fryer for about 11 minutes. And to this, I'm just going to put a couple of eggs. I'm going to chuck that in the air fryer for 11 minutes as well. Go. Easy one tonight. Today. Let's see if we can turn this out. Sort of. Something like that, I suppose. It's corned beef. There's one. And there's two. Eggs in the basket, jalapenos, 11 minutes in the air fryer, and corned beef in the air fryer, 11 minutes as well. With the corned beef in there. Lovely. That'll do, won't it? Well, if you really want to see, there you go. Egg, jalapeno, corned beef, roll, bit of kerrygold in there. Lovely. Right. Enjoy your day, people. I'm going to tuck in.